Tor usage has been climbing over the years, and if you think it's just people on the dark web buying things they shouldn't, well, you're missing out about 90% of the real story. Journalists use it, governments use it, companies recommend it, and a growing number of completely ordinary people are switching to it for one simple reason: they are tired of being tracked. The Tor browser is a cross-platform application and supports multiple operating systems, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it on your Windows machine and Linux machine. The big question is, why is everyone using the Tor browser? To actually unveil this, we need to understand what Tor is. Tor stands for the Onion Router, and the name is not just a branding, it explains how exactly the Tor browser works. When you browse normally, your connection goes directly from you to the website that you are visiting, and your internet service provider or anyone listening or watching your connection can actually see where you are going or the website that you are trying to visit. Tor actually changes that by routing your traffic through at least 3 separate volunteer-run servers around the world, and they are called relays. So these relays encrypt your data in layers at each step. Like an onion, each relay only knows the step before it and the step after it, but never knowing the entire path. And by the time the request reaches its destination, nobody along the way has the full picture of you and what you are trying to access at the same time. So in this part, I'm going to show you how to install Tor browser on your computer. So it doesn't matter whether you're using Windows or Linux, you should be able to have Tor installed on your machine. I'm on the Tor browser, which is called the Tor project. And as you can see, the Tor browser is cross-platform. It supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and also Android. So you can install it on your Android device. I'm not sure about the iOS devices, but you can see from their list, we have the devices that are supported. So in this part, I'm going to show you how to install for Windows, and then we'll come back to Linux. So just click download for Windows, and it's going to download the setup, and we are going to install it on our machine. So after the download is done, you're going to be presented by this installer. Make sure you pick your language, and then I'm going to say okay. It's going to select the path where to install. I'll just say install, and it's going to install Tor browser on my Windows computer. Then after that, you'll be presented by this option. Just click finish, and it's going to open Tor browser on your machine. And as you can see, we have the Tor browser installed on our Windows. So if you want to use it, you just click connect, and it's going to connect to the relays to enable you to have that encrypted traffic. And as you can see, Tor browsing is quite slower than the normal browsing. So right now, I just want to confirm to you that we are connected to the Tor network. So I'm going to check my IP address online, and you can see this website is able to detect that I'm using the Tor network. You can see Tor exit node here. This website is able to detect that I'm using Tor network, and the city is Amsterdam. Yeah, so Tor network is quite slow, as you have seen. So right now, I'm in my Ubuntu Linux machine, and I also want to show you how you can install it on your Linux machine. So you just go to the website, link will be in the description, click download for Linux. So this one should apply to all or most Linux distributions like Debian and Ubuntu. What you do, just click this download for Linux, and it's going to download this particular archive. What you're going to do, you're just going to extract it, and then after extracting, you're going to see this folder here, Tor browser Linux. So open that, then open Tor browser. We have this executable file here, which I'm going to open my terminal in this location. And if I say ls-l, you're going to see that we have this start Tor browser executable file. So what you're going to do, you just say dot, then /, then start, then press tab to complete, then enter. It's going to open up the Tor browser. So what you're going to do next is to just connect, and you can be able to use the Tor browser on your Linux system. And you have come to the end of the video. If you really enjoyed what you saw and you find it informational, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. We are on the road to 1000 subscribers, so a sub will be appreciated. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.